Now let's simplify this. Okay. So we have square root of 12 plus square root of 27. Solution. Square root of 12 plus square root of 27. Now let's reduce them, okay? So 12 is the same as perfect square times perfect square. 9 times 3. So we can say square root of 4 times square root of 3 plus square root of 9 times square root of 3. So square root of 4 is 2 plus square root of 9, 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 3.